Okay, boat anchor here with another rusty old chassis radio. It's a Saturn. As you can see, it's pretty rusty. But the switches, okay, that's the only one that is broke. The mechanism that locks it in place. All the others work. Okay, so why didn't Galaxy put a plug right here? That's weird. Everything else is plugged except for those wires that I had to, well, a couple of them is ground for the light bulbs and stuff like that. Then there's a couple that go to the calibrate, and, you know, but I just need the switches off of this thing. Yeah, a guy gave me this for 4 pounds of okra. So I took the echo board out. The echo board's right here. Echo board is right here. Simple echo board. There's the plugs right here that plug onto it. Got the channel selector out, and it's all intact. I need to clean it. Yes, as you can see, it was not in a very good place, condition-wise. And the wires that go to the switch go here for the light bulbs. It's got the number blocks that look pretty decent. It looks like it's got the same number block as the 148 style with the pins and the two that are right in the center that are grounded. Yeah, so I got this, and got the pre-counter module right here. Yeah, it's a little bit rusty. I need to clean it, but it's all there. Yep. Got the back covers of the meters. They need to be cleaned. They aren't broken like a bunch of them are. Let's see. Yeah, this on the other one is broke off, of course. Yeah, see. And I got all the knobs. So we got the pre-counter module, the echo board, the channel board, switchboard, which I need the switches, and this bezel thing that holds the meters in, and that. And I got the power supply. That's a big hefty sucker. Yeah, so I need to take that out. And here's the main board. At least it plugs in. Most of it plugs in anyway. It's weird, somebody took that diode out right here and rewired it back in. I don't know what that was about. Yeah, it's probably a Galaxy 88 board, I would think anyway. And now all the switches on the sideband switch, all that seems to be okay, but probably have to clean them. Yeah, okay. A, B, C, D, E, and the sideband FM, AM, CW switch. Yeah. Got the 4-pin jack, got a power switch, light bulb. Yeah, it's in pretty rough shape. But now, if anybody is interested in this thing, just let me know. Yep, guy gave me this for a 4-pound bag of okra. Yep. Oh boy. Anyway, here we are. rusty chassis Saturn. The underside looks pretty good. Oh, and there's the meters. Meters are upside down style, of course. They probably, yeah, I don't think they'd work in a 2000, but yeah, they're backwards. Upside down. That one's stuck. I need to unstick it. Other than that, the power supply is probably still good. The main board, probably use it for parts. And there's all the switches. Yeah, they're pretty grungy. Okay, so that's what I'm doing today on a Sunday, is stripping an old Saturn. Boat anchor CB radio repair. Yeah, I'm not repairing this, but I do need the switches for my 2980 because they're all broke. Every one of them except for that one. The calibrate switch isn't broke. So, yeah. Alrighty, so that's today's disassembly of a Saturn base station. Break.